Hey friends, if you wish to add a password to a zip file in Windows, then you would need a third-party tool. So the good third-party tool that I prescribe is 7-Zip. You'll have to download this. Okay, download the exe file and then run it. And once this is done, this part is done, once it is installed, okay, you'll have to go to the zip file. Let's say this is the zip file. Right click on it, select show more options, select 7-Zip, select this option add to archive, and then you can enter the password here. Okay, and then re-enter the password and click on OK. Now you have encrypted it and it's password protected. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.